So this one is going to be the actual model home right here. We just checked out that one. Obviously it has no flooring and no furniture, but this one does. Yeah. Oh, I was filming. Sorry about that, bro. So as soon as we come in, we got our bedroom right here. We've got our full bath. There's another bedroom right over there, but they're using this as an office inside of the home. How nice this is. Washer and dryer. Got our 2-car garage. See how big the depth is. Now we do have a flex space for quote unquote a den. You can make this into another bedroom as long as you put in a closet. So yeah, it's really nice. Backyard space, I would see, is pretty comparable to the actual thing. But if you guys are interested, please send me a private message. Thank you so much.